Hey guys, welcome back. I'm David. Today we're going to be carving a lizard on this tree branch. Last time we left off was the mushroom house. I will be getting a wood burner and burning in all these bricks and stones. So stay tuned for that video. So today we're going to work on this lizard I drew on here. So I just want to carve in deep, have them like on the tree branch. Gotta give them some depth. So I'm going to start off with the kutzall extreme taper burr, which I have somewhere around here. There we go. I'm gonna go ahead and put that into my foredom and we'll get started on the lizard. I got the taper burr extreme. If you guys want to get some kutzall burrs, you can go in the description below. Go to the kutzall site, and at checkout you can use the code Cleve VW. Save yourself 5% on your order. So go check that out if you want some kutzall burrs. You can get the extreme, the original, the fine. You can get kutzall discs. You can get some rasps. So check that out. And let's get to this lizard carving. I'm gonna get my base camp dusk mask on and safety glasses, and we'll get right to it. Alright, so now I'm going to take the taper burr and just cut it more deeper, start shaping it better. I put in this metal cutting burr, gives it a nice smooth cut. Alright, so I'm going to use some of these diamond burrs, get in the undercuts and smooth some of this wood out. Alright, here's the lizard so far. I did some hand sanding. Got some good undercuts. Lost some of the claw here. Alright, at the back side here. So he's pretty cool. A little sunken in right here. I'm just waiting on the wood burner to come in, and then I'm gonna use the wood burner on this. And I also have this flower drawn on here, so in the next video I'll probably be carving that and then doing the vine and some of the leaves. Alright, so thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you later.